Stick through till the end of this video to learn how to install wide width wallpaper, like I did for the producers at Cityline for their Halloween episode. But first, a couple frequently asked questions. 1. Why even use wide format wallpaper? In a nutshell, it's quicker to hang because you're installing less panels and there are fewer seams, so it can be more aesthetically pleasing. Second, why are About Murals wallpaper panels 36 inches wide when there are wider 54-inch wide wall coverings available on the market? We just want to make sure that everyone can hang our wide wallpaper, not just professional wallpaper installers, although we do love you guys. 36-inch wide wallpaper is still quicker to hang than standard panels with less seams, but it's narrow enough for a DIYer to easily use too. Okay, here's how to install wide width wall covering. It's very similar to our 18-inch wide wallpaper, so I'll link that tutorial video at the end as a resource. Make sure you watch it too. You still draw a vertical line with a level, so your first panel is 100% straight. Color the edge of the wallpaper seams to hide them on the wall, and activate the pre-pasted wallpaper with water. But instead of using a bin, you can either use a bathtub or a spray bottle full of water. While on set at Cityline, I use a spray bottle to soak the back of each panel. Fold the bottom and top of the panel into the center to book it and let it sit for 5 minutes. This activates the paste, relaxes the wallpaper, and allows it to expand up to 1/4 inch before you hang it on the wall. You don't need to add extra paste to the wall, so there's less mess and no extra cost. Once the wallpaper is booked, carry it to the wall and unfold the top portion of the panel. Align the first panel against your level line, and for each subsequent panel, overlap the previous panel by 1/4 inch. You don't usually need to double cut the seams of our wallpaper. The overlap disappears once the wallpaper is dry. Unlike peel and stick wallpaper, pre-pasted wallpaper slides around on the wall, making it really easy to match the pattern at the seams, but it's still removable with no damage to the wall later. Each wallpaper panel is pre-numbered for you, so you know what order to hang them in, and you don't need a wallpaper calculator to figure out how much wallpaper you need. Just measure the width and height of your wall and enter the measurements in our online shop. Always use a sponge smoother to remove air bubbles instead of a plastic smoother, which can scrape the paste out from underneath the wallpaper. Our wallpaper is rated for commercial or residential spaces. When you create your own custom wallpaper or order one of our in-stock designs in a custom size, you can request it be printed in 36-inch wide wallpaper. Just make a note during checkout if you'd like wide width wallpaper. How do you hang wide width wallpaper? We'd love to hear your tips and tricks in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe to our channel for all of our DIY videos. Thanks for watching.